Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Decor Obsession. Hope you are all well. You will find different designs of kids alarm clock in this video. These alarm clocks so beautiful for kids room. If you decor your kids room, then these beautiful clock designs looking so nice for your kids room. This video specially designed for kids. These designs so nice color and trendy nowadays. The designs I have added to my video are very useful nowadays. If you like my video, please let me know in the comments. Your opinion is very important to me. Telling you will encourage me. If you are new to my channel, be sure to press the bell icon. When I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. Please watch, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Take care of yourself and take care of your loved ones. Thank you so much.